Hello and welcome to this video on Python optimization. Today we'll be focusing on Cython and Numba libraries to speed up computing tasks. Let's begin by understanding what Cython and Numba are. Cython is a programming language that is a superset of Python. It is used for writing C extensions for Python and helps in making Python code run faster by converting it to C code. Numba, on the other hand, is a just-in-time JIT compiler for Python that translates Python code to machine code during runtime, which helps in speeding up numerical computations. Now, let's see how to optimize a sample Python code using both Cython and Numba. To get started with Cython, first, we need to install the Cython library using pip. Open your terminal and enter the following command. Here's a sample Python code that calculates the factorial of a number using recursion. You can see the code on the screen. Now we'll use Cython to optimize this code. First, save the code in a pix file. Then, create a set.py file that compiles the Cythonized version of the code. Next, run the set.py file which will generate a compiled or HID file. Finally, import the Cython module in your main Python script and call the factorial function from it. See the complete code on the screen. Now, let's optimize the same code using Numba. First, install Numba using pip. Enter the following command in your terminal. Then, import the Numba library in your Python script and use the JIT decorator to optimize the factorial function. Here's the updated factorial function using Numba. You can see it on the screen. Both Cython and Numba can significantly improve Python's performance in certain cases. So, whenever you need to optimize your code for better performance, consider using these libraries. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.